Now let me print my name, and suppose we want to use this name in say 100 line of codes. So it is not always possible to write the same thing in 100 lines, and it is quite boring, right? So what we can do, we can store this value into the computer memory, so that we can use it in future. And if we need to change it in 100 lines, that is also a boring task. So we can make it easy by using a concept called variable. So let us see how we can use that. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to cut the value and store it inside of a variable called name, and then we can use the variable to work on this data. Now if I save the code and run the Python file, then you can see that both the output the previous output and the current output are same. In the previous execution, we are directly printing the string inside of the print function, and in here we are storing the string inside of a variable and then calling it in from the print function. Now if the value is stored in the computer memory, you can use it in multiple number of lines. So let us print it in one more line, and you can see that output is being printed twice. In this way you can use this variable in multiple number of lines. So this is the most possible reason of using a variable, and this concept of variable is almost there in every programming language, so you must have to know it. But there are certain rules that you need to follow while naming a variable. That is shown in the next video.